Hello everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma, legal advisor at Lexis and Company. So today we're gonna discuss the topic of what is a constitution and उसका historical background क्या है. So basically, a constitution is a written document that contains a set of rules for a government. एंड ये जो है डिफाइन करता है फंडामेंटल पॉलिटिकल प्रिंसिपल एस्टैब्लिशिंग द स्ट्रक्चर प्रोसीजर्स पावर्स एंड ड्यूटीज ऑफ अ गवर्नमेंट एंड इट लिमिट द पावर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट टू प्रिवेंट एक्सप्लॉयटेशन एंड गारंटी सर्टन राइट्स टू द पीपल एंड द टर्म कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कैन बी अप्लाइड टू एनी ओवरऑल लॉ that define the functioning of a government. So now let's come to the what is the historical background of constitution. So हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को एज एन इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को फ्रेम करने के लिए एक ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी सेटअप हुई बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली ऑन 29 अगस्त ऑफ 1947 अंडर द चेयरमैनशिप ऑफ डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर यानी भीमराव अम्बेडकर जी के चेयरमैनशिप में. एंड it took almost 3 years to draft the constituent, holding 11 sessions over a 165-day period. The Constitution of India draws extensively from a Western legal tradition in its outline of the principles of liberal democracy. एंड ये जो है फॉलो करता है ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट्री पैटर्न को विद द लोअर एंड अपर हाउस. And it embodies some fundamental rights which are similar to the Bill of Rights declared by the United States Constitution, and it also borrows the concept of Supreme Court from the United States. So basically the Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 26 November 1949 and was made effective on 26 January 1950. Which is celebrated as a Republic Day, as we all know. The Constitution replaced the Government of India Act 1935 as the country's fundamental governing document, and the जो dominant था of India became the Republic of India. To ensure constitutional autonomy, the process of asserting constitutional nationalism from an external legal or political power, its framer repealed prior act of the British Parliament by enacting Article 395 of the Indian Constitution. So thank you guys, thank you for watching us. We'll soon with the new legal ideas and with new legal topics. Thank you.